Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Vivian's Creativity. Now I will tell you how to play Uno. Now this is the normal numbers. This is
Slowly.
true. This is a wild card. This is skip. This is draw fold. This is reverse.
And what can be done with draw 2? Draw 2 means? Yes.
We will put draw 2, then the person did put behind it, he will pick up 2 cards when his chance will come.
Okay, and what is the meaning of wild card?
Wild card. If someone will put wild card, then he has to pick up 4.
No, this is wild, it's not draw 4.
Okay. We can change the colors.
Yes, with wild card we can change the color.
Yes.
And after that skip?
Skip means behind.
No, next person, not behind. Next to that person.
Put the skip behind the skip. Behind the skip and
Next person will get skip.
Go.
Yes, he can't play that chance.
Yes.
And what is draw 4?
It's draw 4.
Yes.
Here, if someone will put the 1, then
Other one have to?
pick up 4. And if we want to change colors, we can put and change any colors. Yellow, green, blue, red. That's just that much colors.
And what is that last one card?
Last one, reverse. We can, if we will put reverse, it will go.
Anti-clockwise.
Yes, it will.
We have to
go
play then
back.
anti-clockwise. Yes. And how many people can play this game at a time?
100 people.
No, not 100 people. 7-8 people can play in one time.
10 people also.
Yes.
How much they can play?
You know now how to play. And what is the remaining card? Show that the card, open and show that card. Yes, like that card. So we have know how to play Uno games. Let's play one round of Uno.
Yes.
Let's mix it.
Yes.
Mix all the cards.
Why?
Then only we will play, na? Mix all the cards. Mix it. Then we will distribute. Mama is going to distribute. Then we will play.
Now we have to hold it like this.
How many cards do you have in your hand now? It is 7 cards. So I have distributed 7 cards to Vihan and 7 cards to myself. So how we will play now? I have already put one blue color here. So it's Vihan's turn. Vihan have to put blue color. If he doesn't have blue color, then Vihan have to change the color, but with same number 6. He have to put either blue color or 6 of any color. Come on, Vihan, put fast.
Either draw wild card. I have draw 4 and wild card both.
Both. So whatever you want, you can put it. Come on, put fast. So you put reverse.
Yes.
So this is reverse. Reverse means it will go anti-clockwise.
Yes.
But we are 2 people only playing, so Vihan have to play it again. Mama's, it's reverse. Again blue color, or you have to put draw 2. Oh God. So Vihan has put now draw 2. So what can be done now? What to do? Mama also can put draw, na?
Yes.
So I have red
show
color
your
ka draw. I have red color draw. See, I put red color draw too. Do you have more draw?
No.
No. So how many cards you have to pick up? No, you have to pick up the cards first.
Why?
Sir, 2 now 4 cards. So Vihan is going to pick up 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take these 4 cards in your hand. And put red color, Vihan. Again you put draw 2. So Mama have to pick up 2 cards now this time. So this game goes on same way till we finish all the cards in our hand. So I have now 6 cards left in my hand. Vihan, it's your turn. Put it fast. What did you put, Vihan, just now?
4.
4.
Red.
Red color. Oh God, I don't have 4. Even I don't have red color also. But I have draw 4. So I will put draw 4. Draw 4 we can put it in any color, right? So I put draw 4. Do you have draw 4?
Yeah.
And I'll change the color to blue. Do you have draw 4? So put draw 4.
Colored yellow.
So Mama have to pick up 8 card. Oh God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yay!
You are going to win now. Come on, your turn. Fast. What did you put, Vihan?
Yellow.
Okay, so take my yellow also. Your turn. Reverse. So it's again your turn. Skip. Again your turn. Skip means I am skipped. 2. I don't have. Yes, I have 2. Blue color 2 I have. I don't have yellow color, but I have blue 2. Same number.
No. Uno.
Wild. Uno. Oh
Red.
God. So Vihan has left with only 1 card. I think Mama is going to lose the game now.
We
Vihan
got
did
one.
put wild card. What
Red.
color you are saying? Red color. Okay.
Yeah.
So I have reverse. But again I have to only put reverse. So I'll pick up 1 card from here. Oh God, I don't have red. It's your turn. Vihan won.
Yeah, what?
So Vihan won this game and Mama lost it.
Yes.
So this is very easy games. Lockdown game we are playing nowadays this game so much and Vihan know how to play it. What do you have to say, Vihan? How is this game?
Nice.
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Did you
Mama,
understand?
if someone don't have wild card or draw 4, we have to give in, okay?
Okay.
That is the game's rule from now, okay?
Okay, you cannot change the rule.
Why?
You cannot change the rule. It's
Why?
a rule card. It's written on the rule card. No, whatever rule is written, only that rule we have to follow.
Well,
Okay.
it's
It's done. Say bye to your friends.